Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You already have the basics. Now start creating. First, make sure your client and mods match community versions so gameplay is stable. Once done, open OBS and configure a 60 FPS, 1080p scene, name sources, and save a profile. Then outline 3 episode themes: tutorial, showcase, challenge, and assign upload cadence. You should also prepare a minimal thumbnail template and channel tags. These steps get you recording fast and avoid backtracking later. You'll want to capture modular clips so editing is flexible: intro, objectives, key maneuvers, and an outro. While recording, narrate decisions aloud so editing needs less explanation later. Once done, import footage and cut downtime. Make sure to emphasize impactful moments with slow motion or sound effects. Add overlays for HUD callouts and simple transitions. Finally, export at a constant bitrate suitable for 1080p and add captions and chapters to improve watch retention and discovery. You're at the finish line. Upload with a keyword-optimized title and concise description, include 3-5 targeted tags, and apply your thumbnail template. Once done, schedule release and pin a comment with timestamps and links. Promote on forums and social channels that focus on Dead Railz. If something goes wrong, make sure to check audio/video sync first. Re-export with a lower bitrate or switch encoder if encoding spikes occur. A single troubleshooting tip: verify game and recording FPS match to avoid desync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.